Hey, what's up?
Hello.
My name's Clayton J.
I'm Allie.
And today is a vlog. It is Tuesday. What day is it? Tuesday.
The 4th.
Yeah, April 5th on a Tuesday. And we just went to Hy-Vee Gas. We just went to Hy-Vee Gas. I got this slushy. I wanted blue, but this one's like, you see it's solid. The blue one was kind of liquidier. There was like a iced flavor and a chill flavor. And the blue one was like on the chill, not a flavor, but like settings. So chill, so it's a lot more liquidy. This is iced. I don't like mine liquidy because obviously after it be sitting in the car for like 10 minutes, it's gonna start liquidy, you know? This is strawberry. I'd rather have blueberry, but it is what it is. Oh, we got a donut for $1. And we got this thing.
Cappuccino.
A cappuccino. And yeah, we're gonna go to we're gonna go to Des Moines, hang out. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do, but we want to just be out of the house for a bit. We haven't been to Des Moines in a long time. So yeah, we're gonna head out. Did my hair, everything. Hopefully, I kind of want to get some pictures, but you know, it's been raining. Also, a bird shitted on my window. Just put some gas. Just put some gas on my car, and yeah, see you in a bit. Hey guys, all right, we're shopping. I found these. Buy this. All different kinds. And the one thing I like about it is I always wear joggers, you know, but this looks like normal, but then it has like the jogger looks at the bottom. I really like them, but I don't think I'm gonna get them because they are $12 each. And I wore them. They kind of like in this section, they're kind of like a little tight. Obviously that's probably how it's supposed to be, but I'm just used to wearing like loosier pants, like baggier pants. I'm not used to this, so I'm not gonna get it, but I'm gonna look up the name because I really do like these. I like how they look professional up here, but at the bottom they're joggers. That's pretty cool, because joggers are my favorite thing to wear. I'm sad I'm not gonna get it, but also I'm not like 100% sure, and I don't want to waste money if I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, so that's cool. I'm a little sad that I'm not gonna get them, but I'm not 100% sure, and also it's going to be summer. Like, it's spring right now. I don't need long sleeve pants, you know? That's another thing why I'm not getting it. So, yeah. You get ya? There's Allison. What's up, Allison? Did you find anything you like?
I might not get any of the swimsuits if I can get a new purse.
That purse doesn't look the best.
Which one?
That one.
You don't like that one?
Not really.
So you like this one?
That one's big, but if you like it. I am gonna get these, guys. I am gonna get these joggers, even though I have like 20 joggers. I at least get one jogger, because they're Hollister and I really like them. So
that
yeah.
means it can always carry everything we need.
Why can I not see that?
Okay, watch out.
Oh, sorry.
This can always carry everything we need, though.
Alright, leaving Plato's closet. About to get run over by a car. Allison, you got the... Oh, okay. I know. Okay, this is what we got. I got some pants. Allison got the purse, and then Allison also got that, a little phone case.
I really like this purse, though. I like it too.
Oh, it's windy as fuck. But it actually feels warm out, so not bad. But, yeah, I really like my other pants, guys, but, like, the crotch area was kind of like felt everything.
We spent the same amount of money today, though.
You know what I'm talking about? Like, it felt kind of tight, but only because I'm used to wearing, like, I wear if you look at my closet, it's all sweatpants / joggers. My nice clothes are joggers. And it's, you know, I get a lot of room in there. So I'm not used to wearing like buttons and having it like all tight and having the zipper and having it tight down there. Because I just don't like it, you know, I like to be all loosey-goosey.
I like my new purse.
But I do like those. I might actually check out the company, because that was awesome. But,
there was a pen mark on it, guys, but I got it off for the most
We're talking about two different shit the whole time. You over there talking about yours, I'm over here talking about mine. We don't care about each other's conversation.
We do that all the time. We just start
we both just sit in the car and we're both talking about two different things and none of us answer each other. We're just talking. It's like, oh my god. Alright, I think we're going to Des Moines now. And going to Plato's Closet. We're going to Plato's Closet down there?
Yes, and also Goodwill Outlet.
We'll go to Goodwill Outlet down there. Awesome.
Damn, I don't like that on my purse.
What?
Someone put a ribbon.
You can just cut it off. I got a pocket knife in here, I think. Or also you could probably just
I'll hold you do.
Alright, bye. Hey, what's up? So I forgot to keep you guys updated. There's Allison right there. Forgot to keep you guys updated. We went to Fazoli's. Here's the picture. We went to Fazoli's, which is just down the street, to eat. Kind of regret it because we spent a lot of money and it wasn't as good as I expected it. The one next to our house is way better. What is that for the dogs? Ooh, you know me with dog beds. I love dog beds. Don't you think Polo Molly would be so cute on that? But yeah, we went to Fazoli's, which I wish I recorded because the food looked good, but it didn't taste as good, and like my belly hurts. So a little sad about that. And now we're here at Goodwill Outlet. It's probably 4 or 5 p.m. on a Tuesday, which kind of sucks because we got a lot to do. What is it? Tuesday, the 5th of April. So yeah, not that much people here. Actually, there's probably more than usual. We got a lot of mats, guys. Oh, this one's hilarious. Can you hold it for me? So Allison's dad's name is Matt. Welcome, Matt. All others go away. We're gonna get this for him. I think that's really cute. I hope he's as happy as I am because when I found it, I was like, "Ah, good for Allison's dad." All right. No, we don't need another one. We got a couple for the. Oh, that's kind of cute.
So it'll be behind it.
That's kind of cute. Yeah, if you want it.
I'll put it maybe. We have a lot of stuff in the bathroom.
We do get a lot of stuff in the bathroom. But yeah. All right, I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'll catch you guys if we're gonna do anything else today. Bush.
Oh, that's a cute beach bag.
Allison, this is Allison before we got here. We're only gonna get things we need. This is her now. Boom.
You told me to look for mats and I thought it was in their car. Hey, can you watch the fight in the car?
Yeah. The bathroom here sucks, so have fun.
And now I think it's sitting at normal.
You wanna tell them what you did in the car?
I bit Clayton's nose.
Yeah, she's being really rude. Also, look, guys, you see that? That's literally van life. I see solar panels on top of that van. Should we go knock and be like, yo, what's up?
No.
Dang, I hate seeing van lifers because it's like, I want to be a van lifer.
You don't know that they don't.
Allison, there's solar panels. Why do they need solar panels?
We have two.
Okay, but they're obviously camping here then. That's called van lifing. It's called van lifing. It's kind of chilly out. I asked Allison if it's too cold or not, because I can go I have some pants in the car. And she's like, no. And
I said hello to the guy in the fridge.
there's a guy down there.
Did you not hear me yell hello?
I did, but I didn't see the guy, but now I see him.
I honestly thought it was a flag.
We're just chilling. My phone just falls down there, dude. I would cry. Here. Pretty freaking scary. We're just chilling downtown now. We got a lot of things. I'll update you on, but we got a Goodwill. We got a lot of rugs. That's pretty much everything we got is like rugs.
You keep using towels as fucking rugs.
Yeah, because I keep getting the whole what is it called? Bathroom like wet all the time after I get out of like showers or baths or anything like that. So I want more rugs in the bathroom. But yeah, we're gonna chill here and yeah, see you in a bit.
See you tomorrow.
See ya whenever we want to see ya, brah. All right, guys. So we walked around.
I'd say 30 minutes.
I'd say probably more, probably an hour. You don't think so? That was pretty long.
Oh, that's pretty long.
It's like 6 o'clock right now. What time is it? Check your phone.
What time are you gonna guess? I'm gonna guess 6.
I'm gonna guess 6:20. 6:20.
6:01.
6:01.
I was closer.
So it's 6:01. We gotta go home to our doggies, and it's like, how long do you think it is from here to our house?
About
Like
30, 45 minutes.
No.
You're saying 20?
I was gonna say 25. Search it up really quick. We'll tell you in a second.
I'm saying 35.
I'm saying 25.
38.
38? Let me see.
I guessed right. I said 35.
38 minutes? Should I turn on my blinds or no?
Are you being serious?
Yeah, look at it, Allison. I did ask. Oh, why does it look so easy in the camera? I cannot see shit. You can see?
Yeah.
Really? I can't see in human life. Maybe I don't have 20/20 like I thought I did. Vision. Holy crap, everyone's passing me. I'm literally that great.
You are the only person who can't
You
drive.
can see?
Yes.
Okay, you drive, bro.
Okay,
You
pull over.
drive.
Pull over.
No.
Exactly. I could drive.
Oh my god, this is so scary.
Oh, don't be baby.
We're not even home yet. We probably got, I want to say like only 15 minutes left or so,
I'm
right?
gonna say 10.
10 minutes. And this is the exit. This next exit is our exit.
Guys, you see that huge storm cloud coming in at an 80-degree angle from planet Earth?
Okay, Alex. Oh, it stopped. It stopped. That's what I'm talking about. All right, we're good. We're good.
How does it just stop?
Oh, you guys see that 80-degree planet from planet Earth over there? Oh, shit. That's some fresh fucking air. Oh, yeah. All right.
Okay, guys. Oh, we are going back into the storm. I repeat, back in. Look how dark it just got.
Oh, shit. We're getting back into the
This
fucking
is so
storm.
scary. It just got really dark, guys.
All right, guys. I'll see you guys when we get home. We'll show you everything we got.
If we get home.
If we get home. Hey, don't chill. Be nice.
Okay, we'll see you when you get home to our cougs. And check on the mice.
Our coochies.
Okay, bye, guys.
Allison, wave. We just got home. We always usually do something like this. We're playing hide and go seek from Polo and Molly. We're gonna unlock them. They're in the room. Hey, you found me. You found me. Have you found Mama yet? Have you? Have you guys? Come on, go find. Call their names.
Oh. Oh.
Checking in the. He loves hide and go seek. Polo made a doozy in the room, so he might need a spanking. You might. Polo, did you poop? Did you poop? Did you poop? Polo?
No.
He pooped.
Now an update on the mice, guys.
He pooped. Can you guys tell me anything? If you guys ever moved and have a dog, like he was potty trained crazy, and then we finally moved here. You know, we got
this carpet, but I'm already.
wait. No. I want to show them everything really quick. But he was potty trained so good, and now he's not potty trained in this house. I don't know why. It's so annoying. Molly is though. Molly will go outside. Wait, watch. She'll go outside. Go outside, Molly. Go. Look, she's going right out. She's going right out, and she is standing. Oh, she's peeing. See, Molly's peeing. See, she's a good girl. She goes and does her potty outside.
Look how cute it is.
Oh, that is really cute for the dogs to lay on and stuff. That's cute. All right, let's show them what we got. Go bring the big bag over here. Is that Polo, the guy that poops everywhere? Is that Mr. Poopy Polo? All right,
guys, this is gonna be quick.
Quick update. So we got a lot of rugs. You saw the one outside. We got this rug.
That one's also going outside.
This one's going outside too, because it's like an outside rug.
Like heavy duty.
Heavy duty outside rug, perfect. We got this. This is the one we're gonna give to Allison's dad, because his name's Matt.
Welcome, Matt. Everyone else go away.
That's really cute. I can't wait to give it to him. Probably Thursday, because that's the next time we'll see him, because Allison's car's in the shop. Old Betty, and yeah, her name's Old Betty because she's old.
Yeah, we didn't get anything.
All right, and then we got this mat for the shower. We got this one for the shower. The bath mat, shower mat. Polo, get off it.
Booty good.
Then we got these.
Booty, dick, and pussy.
I got these at. Hey, please don't say bad words like that.
I didn't do that. I'm so sorry.
You say random shit. This is actually it's pretty cool. This is for Hollister, so I'm really happy.
I'm so sorry.
I got it for $14 at Plato's Closet. Dude, can you go? Go.
That was really.
Go.
Yeah, I feel sorry.
Hey, buddy. Can you go get the dog bed to show them?
Oh, I already showed him.
You did? When?
Yeah, in the car.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Can you get it?
Yeah, in a minute.
Then we got this rug. Where are you planning on putting this rug?
In the bathroom.
This one's the bathroom too? Cool. We need more rugs in the bathroom. Then you got, wait, what?
A hand towel.
Then, so you did get some panties.
Yeah, one.
So
they're ugly.
Allison got some panties. Why did you buy it then?
So they're
And then what's
free.
this? Oh, then you got a thong.
That's Clayton's.
That's mine, okay?
He needs one.
I need one. And then I just got a shirt.
Hi, put that back.
Oh, what's this?
That's the shirt.
Oh, then Allison got another shirt.
That's Clayton found that for me.
Yeah, how cute
It's called
is it?
Dino World.
It's called Dino World. And then, my favorite part.
We got a new game to play when we're bored as fuck at home.
Look, how cool is this? Oh, Polo. We're going to be playing this like crazy.
And Molly's gonna be... Ooh.
Molly's going to be so happy. It's a new ball. Hey, actually, you guys know it's not your guys' ball, though. Oh, Polo got it. Now it's Polo's ball. Polo's ball. Oh, can you grab their... Yeah, grab that. Hey, buddy, give me it. Come here, Polo. Come on, buddy. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it, Polo. Molly's... Can you bring him, that over?
I am.
Allison's bringing over the pet dog bed.
You need it? No. Did we get it?
Yes.
Hell yeah.
Look how big it is, Mama. You like
I'm gonna
it?
set it in this corner for now.
Look at that.
New bed, Bubba.